All right, this topic is dividing polynomials using long division. So when you were in elementary school, you did arithmetic long division. And what we're going to teach you today is how to do polynomial long division. So there are some pieces that you need to know. You need to know what the divisor is, what you're dividing by. The dividend, that will be your numerator. You have your quotient, and then your remainder. So polynomial long division is a method for dividing a polynomial by another polynomial of a lower degree. So here's our first example. So we have the 15x squared plus 8x minus 12. So that's going to go as 15x squared plus 8x minus 12. That is our dividend. What we're dividing by is 3x plus 1. That is our divisor. And now we're ready to start division. So essentially what you're doing is you're taking 3x and you're dividing it into 15x squared. So I tell my students to do this off to the side. Say, think, what is 15x squared divided by 3x? So 15 divided by 3 is 5. X squared divided by x is x. So I put that up on top. And then what I do is I multiply the green term to the two terms out in front. So 5 times 3x is 15x squared. And then 5 times 1 is 5x. Now here's where students sometimes make mistakes. If we go up to this division problem, you always want to make sure you are subtracting. So I'm just going to add the subtracting here and subtracting there. So that's what you have to do when you do polynomial long division. We have to subtract through, so that's going to change the sign of the 15x squared and the 5x. Now what happens is the 15x squares cancel, and then 8x minus 5x is 3x. Now we go ahead and bring down the next term. We bring down that minus 12. I'm going to erase these red dots, and I start over again. I say, all right, we're going to divide 3x into that first term. So what is 3x divided by 3x? So 3 divided by 3 is 1. X divided by x is 1. So plus 1 goes up on top. Get rid of that. And now we multiply. 1 times 3x, 3x. 1 times 1, 1. And now we put our line underneath it. And we have to subtract all the way through. So we change the 3x to a minus. We change the plus 1 to a minus 1. And then what happens is the 3x's cancel, they become 0. And then negative 12 minus 1 is negative 13. Now we can't go any further. We can't take 3x and divide it into negative 13. Not possible. So this is now considered our remainder. So how we write our answer is up on top here, 5x plus 1, and then we add our remainder, negative 13, and then what we divided by, 3x plus 1. So that is our final answer. Let's go ahead and do this again.